Under the guidance of RBI, NPCI has ushered a new era of digital payments, which is both secured and seamless in India. This superior payment experience has helped the UPI platform to scale from a single transaction to 1 million and now billions of transactions. UPI has enabled new segments of trade and commerce and is now on its way to make instant payments available across the globe. With the growth of digital transactions in India, there is a need to further innovate and make payments even faster and simpler for consumers. RBI has laid down the vision of offline payments and has supported the ecosystem by enabling an on-device wallet approach to support fast offline payments. Taking this vision of RBI, NPCI has created UPI Lite, which will enable an on-device wallet for faster and simpler payments. While the vision is to enable offline payments, in this phase UPI Lite will make payments simple, fast and secure. The enablement will not only improve user experience but help the ecosystem to grow. The UPI Lite will help customers to make transactions without cluttering their passbook or bank statements. User will also experience better transaction success rates. This solution also helps banks to better manage the load on their IT systems and is a scalable solution. Presenting UPI Lite, bringing speed and convenience to India. With UPI Lite, you can now transact with any UPI Lite enabled application and make payments without the need for a UPI PIN. Let's see how it works. Download any UPI app, enable UPI Lite by adding funds using your UPI PIN. Add funds from your savings account to the UPI Lite wallet. These funds will reside in the common library of the UPI app, which provides the on-device wallet service. Now every time you transact, you need to do a secure login to the application. You can either scan a QR, enter a UPI ID or a UPI number, or use any existing payment flow on UPI. Transactions below ₹200 can be done via UPI Lite without using UPI PIN, thus making UPI faster and bringing a better customer experience for all Indians. UPI now faster, easier and more convenient. Powered by NPCI.